Hey, good afternoon, gang. This is Neil with Simple Futures, and it's Monday, the 18th of what I think is going to be a pretty interesting week. Um, Starting tomorrow. Well, actually, I think tomorrow could be the lead up to the real interesting part of the week, which is Wednesday. So tomorrow, probably honestly have you prepared for not a lot um, in terms of range or anything, rather kind of balanced constricted movement in front of Wednesday, which is the FOMC rate decision, and then Thursday there's BOE and BOJ. And so there are several rate decisions this week, starting Wednesday. So a pretty interesting week. Tomorrow, my feeling is it might be kind of boring in front of Wednesday, though. So really, you can see here on this daily chart what we're looking at. I'm going to take you to something a little more fine-tuned in a minute, but this is a daily chart here. You can see we're just really in this range. The low here on the 7th, I guess that was like last week sometime or whatever, up to last week's high. And so that's 44.83 by 45.65. And that's where we're stuck. That's where we're at the lower kind of quartile of that range, but still in that range. So what I did was I took this entire range of that 44.83 by 565 high and did this. So here you can see what appear to be the real important features of the profile, and those are the following. So you got about 0.8 on the bottom here. You can see it tried to poke up into that today but failed and came right back down. And then above that, here is the big level. I'm going to say 45, 21, 22, 21, I don't know, 21, 22, whatever. Say 21. That is the main level that is going to decide who's winning. In other words, like if they reach up and tag that and roll, then the bears are going to feel like they've got something to try to hold on to, and the objective will be to take out that September 7th low and reach for a target of 44.50. This is my opinion, at least. Above there, though, if it does get through 21, then you can see the value area high of all of that range is 45.40. And then, of course, the high of the range, 45.65. So the numbers are these: 565 and 40 on the top. 21 is the line in the sand that says, hey, who's winning? Lean long above and short below, that kind of thing. And then below, you've got this 0.8 level, which it tried today but failed. And, of course, the low of the range, 83. Below that, you're reaching for bear target 44.50. So that's it. I mean, that's just pretty short and sweet, right? I mean, and it doesn't matter what I think. It's going to matter, really, what happens Wednesday. And that's when we'll figure out what's what. My lean is to the short side, but it's got to, attempt and fail at this big line in the sand up here in order to let us know that that's, a correct kind of lean, I guess. And if it is going higher, then above 20 equals 40, and then the high of the range up there, 65. Pretty simple. That's what I got. Nothing. I don't think anything happens tomorrow, though. In my opinion, it just kind of goes dull as dishwater sideways in front of Wednesday is what matters. So that's it for now. Good trade, and check you again here at the next update. Take care.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me